Hi, in this video we are going to be learning line 28 in our method book, Jingle Bells, on the alto saxophone. So I'm going to walk you through everything and we are going to play this together. So at the beginning we always have our treble clef to start. Then we have our key signature. It has an F sharp. It's located on the F line of the staff and it tells us all Fs are sharp no matter where they are, even if we don't have any F sharps. This also tells us our key. We are in the key of G, and that can be confirmed by the last measure ending on a G. Next, we have our time signature of 4/4 time. Top number tells us the number of beats in each measure. Bottom number is the value of the whole note. So, if we have a whole note, it gets 4 beats. Half of a whole is a half of 4 is 2. So the half notes and half rests get 2 beats. Then half of a half is a quarter, half of 2 is 1. So all of the quarter notes get 1 beat each. So now we're going to walk through and check out our patterns. So the first 2 measures, just on B, we have B, 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 B. Measure 3, we skip from B up to D, everything down including your octave key, down to the G, then A, then a half note B. Now we have that same exact pattern, just completely the same, in line 3. So now let's go to line 2. We have 4 C's, middle finger, and then the next measure we have C, B, B, half note, and then we have B, A, B, then a half note A to a half note D. We already said that line 3 is just like line 1. I'm going to scroll this so you can see it a little bit better. Now line 4 is similar to line 2. The first 2 measures are the same, but then it changes in the last 2 measures, and we have 2 D's, a C, an A, and a half note G. So I'm going to play through this. My metronome is set at 92 beats per minute, and make sure that you start each note with a t sound, tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed, and let the tongue interrupt the air and the air keeps flowing. This is Jingle Bells. 1, 2, ready. And that was it for line 28, Jingle Bells on the alto saxophone. I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.